and raise funds. The most common of the all routes was the IPO, and in under the initial public offering, the firm can go for a fixed price issue or it can go for a book building issue. Now, more popular right now, if I talk about the Indian context, is the book building issue, because most of the IPOs which have come up in the past have been as per the book building issue. So let us understand in a detailed manner what exactly is a book building issue. So literally जो term define कर रही है, you are building a book, and this book is being built on the basis of bids the share applicants are making. Okay, now who's building the book? This book is being built by the merchant banker on behalf of the company. तो कंपनी ने आगे मर्चेंट बैंकर को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी है, यू आर रिसीविंग द बिड्स on basically the electronic platform, and with each bid the amount at which the applicant is ready to purchase the shares and the volume of how many shares he or she is willing to purchase at the specified price is mentioned. Now, on everyday basis, these bids are received, and when the book closes, then through the weighted price method, the issue price is decided. Everyone who has applied for at a price which is above the issue price will be allotted the shares. If your share application has been at a price which is lower than the issue price, you won't be allotted the shares. The share application money for the unsuccessful applicants needs to be returned within 15 days of the allotment process. उसके बाद उस पर interest charge होना शुरू हो जाता है. The company has to pay interest to the applicant at the rate 15% per annum. Now, when I talk about book building issue, it can be used at many stages. Most common जो मैं process होता है, एक तो IPO में book building issue use होता है. Then it can also be used in FPO, which is a follow-on public offering, and even at the time of buying back of the shares. So there it is known as reverse book building. वो भी हम discuss करेंगे short में. Indian जो guidelines हैं, a book can be opened for a period. Is anyone having any idea कितने days के लिए open रहता है IPO under the book building issue? Make a guess. How many days does a book remain open? No guesses even? So, a minimum of 3 days and a maximum of 10 days. Okay. This is the limit which has been defined by SEBI. तो इसका 10 का ब्रेकअप होता है कि 3 to 7 days plus additional 3 days if you are not getting the required response, then the company can extend it to further 3 days, making a total of 10 days. But practically, the firms tend to keep the book open from 3 to 5 days. So they're actually opting for a shorter period to keep the book open. It is only when there is, say, under subscription that the firm might extend the book open, the days for which the book needs to be kept open. So one thing before we proceed with the detailed procedure, why would a company keep the book open for a shorter number of days than the specified duration? What can be the logic behind keeping the book open for a shorter duration than what is specified by SEBI? So I'll ask, there's no response from your side. What happened? Ishita?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, क्या रीजन हो सकता है?
Um,
Is some other class also going on?
my sister is attending a class.
Okay, okay. So make a guess. What can be the reason? Okay, so no idea?
No idea.
Okay. Ashu, you are using the word concentrated investors. इसका थोड़ा सा explanation दो. What do you mean by this?
I mean, I'm very limited investors. A lot of shares are bought by this. I mean, maybe.
So the firm would want to limit the days. लिमिटेड इन्वेस्टर्स होंगे तो कंपनी शायद आईपीओ रूट के लिए जाए ना, प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट ही कर दे.
Yes, ma'am, that's true. Or maybe avoiding oversubscription.
अवॉइडिंग ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन, यस दैट कैन बी वन ऑफ द रीजंस, क्योंकि फिर बहुत ज़्यादा एप्लीकेशंस रिसीव करनी पड़ेंगी, उनको प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा, उसमें टाइम और एफर्ट लगेगा. Yes, that can be one of the reasons that the company keeps the books open for a shorter duration. Anyone else? Anurag is here. He wakes up at the time of attendance only. Yes, Ayushi, you try to answer.
Ma'am, I am here.
Okay, you are here. Very good. So answer the question I have asked. क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा अनुराग मैंने?
मैम की आईपीओ शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन के लिए क्यों ओपन रहता है
हाँ
उसके
जी
एक्चुअल
बेटा.
ड्यूरेशन से?
हाँ, तो फिर क्या रीजन हो सकता है इसका?
मैम अभी वही ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन वाला सूटेबल लग रहा है, बाकी आई कैन नॉट मेक अ गेस राइट नाउ.
Okay, okay. So, yes, oversubscription is one correct point. Related, maybe financing of short-term funds. Which short-term funds? Piyush?
Any like if the company is needing funds for the short term requirements, then it can issue IPO and book building stuff. Maybe I'm not sure. I'm just guessing.
Nahi, okay, you are making a guess. I'll just directly come to the right answer. One reason given by Ashu is correct, that maintenance of book, because you receive bids, then they need to be processed, फिर issue price decide होगा, फिर allotment होगी, unsuccessful जो applicants हैं उनको पैसा refund होगा. तो इस पूरे process में बहुत effort और time और cost involved है. तो कंपनी को अगर दिख रहा है कि पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट पॉजिटिव है, it can go for a shorter duration. Apart from this, company is hiring a number of parties to the book building issue. As I told you, IPO में merchant banker है, banker to the issue है, the underwriter is involved. Ashu, I'll come to your question. Then advertising agencies are involved. So all this involves a cost for the company on per day basis also. So if the company is confident that it will get the required subscription in the shorter duration, it will go for the same. Okay, so 3 to 5 days is the general norm which is being followed right now in our markets. Then post the decision on the issue price and the allotment of shares, these shares are listed on the stock exchange. Okay, and then they fundamentally enter the secondary market. So, what is the time duration involved in this? How many days after allotment are shares listed on the stock exchange? Should the duration be long or should it be short? अगर अलॉटमेंट के बाद हम ज्यादा दिन रखते हैं लिस्टिंग के लिए, विल इट बी बेटर फॉर द फर्म और द ड्यूरेशन शुड बी केप्ट शॉर्ट? Long would be better. Why long or why short? I can directly give you the number of days, but let me know what is the reasoning, what can be the reasoning behind this.
Maybe if they start trading, the price could fluctuate maybe a
So
lot.
that can be vice versa also, कि जितना टाइम आप लगाओगे लिस्टिंग में उतना ही
Yes, ma'am.
चांसेस है कि पोस्ट लिस्टिंग ज्यादा फ्लक्चुएशन हो. Yes, Ashu? So,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi, my question was that how many days post the allotment of the shares are they listed on the stock exchange? The answer is right now it is 6 days. But SEBI is trying to reduce it further to 3 days. And a shorter gap between allotment and listing, it is expected that it will lead to lower fluctuations post the listing of the shares. Okay, so there was another question. Underwriter is the party, your merchant banker is the party which is deciding or which is handling the entire book building issue on behalf of the company. Okay, moving further. So in India, book building was first adopted by Nirma, which came up with a book building issue of 100 lakh equity shares. Now this is the process in detail stepwise. The company will appoint a merchant banker. I'll read out if the font size is small and not legible. The merchant banker is known as the book runner. Then a draft prospectus is issued, including all the disclosures that need to be made as per the requirements of SEBI. The issuer will specify the number of shares to be issued and price range. The lower end, that is the lower limit, say the price band is 100 to 110 per share. So the company is inviting shares from the applicants in this specified range. The lower price is known as the floor price and the higher price is known as the ceiling price. This price band is the range in which the applicant can apply for the shares, and this range is plus minus 20%. तो मैक्सिमम 20% का डिफरेंस हो सकता है बिटवीन द फ्लोर प्राइस एंड द सीलिंग प्राइस. आफ्टर दैट बुक रनर जो मेन मर्चेंट बैंकर होता है वो और पार्टीज को इन्वॉल्व कर सकता है जिनको हम सिंडिकेट मेंबर्स बोलते हैं. सो दोज कैन बी अदर बैंक्स ऑल्सो if it requires assistance in the book building issue. So later during the period for which bidding is open, investors they bid at their prices along with the number of shares they are willing to buy. On the basis of price quoted in the bids, weighted average price calculate करा जाता है and the final cut-off price or issue price is decided. Now all the successful bidders will be allotted the shares while refund process will start for the unsuccessful bidders. So this is the detailed book building process which is being followed in India. So coming to the other points related to this, so there's a 20% price band. Bids have to be entered within the price band. On everyday basis, the book is closed, then reopened for the remaining duration. Also, bids can be revised. So, if at any point of time before the closure of book, the applicant wants to revise the price and the amount he or she is willing to buy, then that option is also open to the applicant. So what we will do is we'll try and understand practically first how the pricing of issues takes place under book building, and then let's see what are the remaining formalities. Now on your screens you have a question on book building issue, pricing of issue basically, and here the company wants to issue shares worth 500 crore. In this case the company has given a range of a price band of 95 to 105, and say these are 5 applicants who have applied for the shares. Now their price at which they have applied and the amount of shares which they are ready to purchase has been specified. So A is ready to purchase shares worth 300 crore at 95, B worth 500 crore at 98, and so on. So the first step is to calculate the weighted price, which is price into the weight. So the proposed investment is taken as weight. You multiply it with the price, you get the product of weight and price, and through that you can get the final cutoff price. So the price will be sigma WP upon sigma W. So here it is 1,17,500 upon 1,200. तो अब आपके पास जो फाइनल कट ऑफ प्राइस आता है दैट इज 97.92. नाउ पे अटेंशन, 97.92 पर आपके कुछ एप्लीकेंट्स will be successful in getting the shares while others will be unsuccessful. We can rightly see that it is only A in this case who will not be getting the shares because the price bid by A is at 95, which is lower than the cutoff price. तो अब इसके बाद B, C, D, E, all the 4 applicants are successful. So we need to decide how much of the allotment should be made to 4 of them at rupees 97.92. So how is it done? सबसे पहले अब आपका जो टोटल वेट हो जाएगा वो 1200 की जगह अब वेट आपका टोटल हो जाएगा 900, which is 1200 minus 300 of A. And now you can make proportional allotment. For B, the allotment is 500 upon 900 into 500. Okay, so which gives an amount of 278. Again for C, it will be 100 by 900 into 500. यहाँ पर multiplication का sign होना चाहिए, and so on. So in this manner you will exhaust the 500 CR that needs to be allotted. This is the process which is followed while pricing the issue and making allotment under book building. If there's any question in this, please ask. So what we will do, we will practice one more question on book building issue. So there's a question on your screens. Class, please start attempting the question. Here the price band is 130 to 140 and there are 6 applicants. The amount of investment and the price at which they are applying is mentioned. The issue size is 500 CR. You need to show the successful allotments. So I'll give you 5 minutes. Start solving the question, then we'll discuss it. Okay, class. So how much is the cutoff price coming to? Put your response in the chat box. Abhishek, have you solved? Abhishek. स्टेप 1 है कट ऑफ प्राइस, जल्दी बताओ। कबीर,
Yes, I'm just calculating, letting you know.
okay, I'm waiting. Take a minute more, let me know.
मैम फॉर्मूला वो वेट वाला डालना है ना, सिग्मा पी डब्ल्यू अपॉन सिग्मा डब्ल्यू वाला।
हाँ, कबीर वही वाला फॉर्मूला डालना।
ठीक है।
सिग्मा WP अपॉन सिग्मा W। Yes. Anyone else by that time? Why is it taking so long to solve the question? मुदित, आपने सॉल्व करा है क्वेश्चन? Yes or no? I can't hear you. Yes. Have you solved the question? What kind of response is this? No, you're not audible. Only one response I am getting. वो भी अगर पूछ लो 134.5, it is approximately 134.43. Don't round off the value, Manvi. Keep it in decimals. Okay. So on basis of 134.43, you can clearly see that we have a number of bidders who will be unsuccessful, namely U, X, and Y. So V, W, and Z 3 बिडर्स को अलॉटमेंट होगी और अब आपका जो न्यू वेट हो जाएगा फॉर अलॉटमेंट, इट विल बी 550. Okay, so now we will start allotting these shares, starting with V. V wanted 200 divided by 550 into 500, which is the size of the issue. W will get an allotment of 150 divided by 550 into 500, and Z will be getting 200 divided by 550 into 500. Okay, so you solve this, you'll get the amount of allotment they are getting. That total should be equal to 500. Okay, so please calculate the values now.